third and goal. The Steelers have a chance to make them punt. And now look, Brandon Jacobs is gonna run in. Oh wait, sorry. Okay. Brandon Jacobs is gonna run in and watch what's gonna happen. He jumps. Ah! Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Look at this. He jumped. He jumps. Oh my gosh, it flies up into the air. Could not believe that.